So today we're looking at the remainder theorem. All right. So in our first question, we're asked to use the remainder theorem to find the remainder of the following: 6x squared minus 10x plus 7 divided by 3x plus 1. Okay, so what is the remainder theorem? Let's look at the remainder theorem. So I'm just going to post up a statement of the remainder theorem. So what does the remainder theorem say? So if f of x is divided by x minus p, giving a quotient q of x and a remainder r, then r equals f of p. Okay, so let's have a look at our situation. So in our situation, let's see, I think this is our f of x. This is our x minus p. And our quotient is whatever it is. And our remainder r must be f evaluated at p. So what is p in our case? So let's have a look. So our x minus p is 3x plus 1. Let's solve for x. Okay. So x equals negative 1 over 3. So this is our p. Okay, that's our p. So that means, therefore, our remainder is, our function is 6x squared minus 10x plus 7. Let's plug our p in there, so our negative 1/3. 6 to the times negative 1/3 squared minus 10 times negative 1/3 plus 7. And what does that give us? 6 over 9 plus 10 over 3 plus 7. Okay. Let's put everything over a common denominator of 9. 10 times 3, 7 times 9. Looks good. Let's add everything in the numerator. So we have 63 plus 30, 93 plus 6, 99. Is that right? Divided by 9. Got that right? 6. That equals 11. Our remainder is 11. Good. All right, so next question. So in this case, we have 3x squared plus x plus 2 divided by 3x minus 1. Okay, so in this case, this is our function f of x. This is our x minus p, so we need to figure out what p is. So I think p in this case is going to be 3x minus 1 equals 0. Let's solve for x, and we get our p is 1/3. Okay. So therefore, our remainder equals f evaluated at 1 over 3, which equals 3 times 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 3 plus 2. This equals 3 over 9 plus 1 over 3 plus 2. 3 over 9 is also 1 over 3. That's nice. That simplifies. And we're left with 2 over 3 plus 2. 2 plus, putting everything over a common denominator, 8 over 3. So our remainder is 8 over 3 in the second case. Good. That brings us to the end of our session today. So if you have any questions, send us a note at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call day or evening. And thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you again.